Now that is some intense winter weather there. You can see the lights, the reflection from the patrol car lights in that heavy snow. Just look at how the wind is blowing that snow around. It created blizzard-like conditions across several states, but with the lights especially, that kind of looks cool.
It's really cool.
Star Wars movie or something.
It's very cool. Here's the thing though, being a Southwest Floridian my whole life, I have no idea what this would be like. You know, I've been in the snow, I've gone on, you know, week-long ski trips or whatever it is, but I've never seen anything like this. So it's just so almost bizarre to me to see.
The wind is really the thing when you're sitting in a car like that. That's kind of the scary thing. And especially in the dark too. That's frightening.
When you experience that for the first time, Lisa, you'll learn a few new adjectives that you're not allowed to say on television, let me tell you. And that's what a lot of people are saying this morning. Look at the weather right now across the Caloosahatchee as we are seeing our skies start to clear here north. But boy, to the south, if you're waking up in Collier County, you are still hearing the thunder. You've got the cloud around, and we have got two distinct areas here of lightning, one pulling off into Broward County and Miami-Dade, the other one here south near Marco. So let's take a little closer look. And this thunderstorm continues to move eastbound, dumping a lot of rain and lightning here north of 41. This one over Marco near Collier Boulevard has picked up a little steam over the last few minutes. That will hit Everglades sitting about 20 to 30. At one point, we had a little rotation, which I'm still seeing a hint of it on the radar. So even if that one were to get a tornado warning, it would be away from us and moving over onto the other coast. A few showers here between Pahokee, Belglade, and Montura. Otherwise, we're going to start to dry out. Our temperatures right now are sitting in the low 70s from the Caloosahatchee south, upper 60s to the north. That's well above our average of 56, and it's warmer than yesterday. It's very sticky when you step outside. And you saw that humidity increase last night. It was very humid, and that fueled the showers and thunderstorms. We do have a little patchy fog there around Northport, but otherwise we're waiting for the wind shift and the winds to pick up. We're going to see gusts today, 25 miles per hour, or maybe even a little higher in some spots, and that's behind the front. So we'll hit 75 here this afternoon, so we're not going to move a lot. Then the bottom drops out. Keep in mind these averages, 76 and 56 as we head through the weekend, because this cold blast just continues to hammer the midsections of the country. Nashville, Tennessee at 0. Negative digits from St. Louis northbound, and that is that dangerously cold air that's behind this system, this low that continues to strengthen as it moves off to the east. Thank goodness this one is a little farther north and keeping it a rain for parts of New York and Boston, all the heavy snow between Quebec and the northern Great Lakes. As we trail this line south, we will wait for the arrival of the front, and you can pick it up right there. That's that next line of showers, which will be tapering off as it approaches southwest Florida. But later this afternoon, that wind shifts out of the north. We get very cold. And then for Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, we actually get clouds, maybe a 10 to 20% chance of a shower. Very overcast here late Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We do have a wind chill advisory, so some winter weather advisories here for southwest Florida tomorrow morning between 1 and 10, as our wind chill values could be as low as 20 degrees. Upper level pattern shows the cold air just diving south, and that's going to give us our coldest Christmas morning in a while, 36 degrees. To give you an idea of some of the historic numbers, our coldest afternoon was 46 degrees. We're forecasting 49.50, so we're not too far off of that mark. Our warmest was back in 2016. So a lot to digest here in the 7-day forecast. You can kind of sum it up in two ways. Our weather changes here today significantly. We get cold over the weekend, and I've actually dumped the lows back into the 30s for one more night, Sunday into Monday, as we are going to struggle to make it near 60 even to start next week.